Good afternoon, everyone. I am Amita of roll number 21011A0534. Today, I am here to give a presentation on the topic energy efficiency and conservation. First, let's see what is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency refers to using less energy to perform the same task. Therefore, it reduces the waste and it lowers the cost and also minimizes the environmental impact. Let's understand this by using an example. Suppose we can, by replacing the traditional incandescent bulb with an LED bulbs, allow us to get the same amount of light with less electricity. Therefore, we save the money on energy bills while overall energy consumption, which also benefits the environment. Next, what is energy conservation? Conservation is nothing but reducing the energy use by making the correct decisions. Like, for example, turning off lights when leaving the room. Here, energy efficiency is nothing but which uses a technology that requires less energy to perform the same task. It focuses on improving performance without reducing the service provided. Like, it improves how energy is utilized. Whereas conservation actively reduces the energy consumption by changing behavior and habits. Like it tells us how the total energies can be reduced and optimally used. Why we have to conserve the energy? By conserving the energy, we have multiple benefits across environmentally, economically, and also social benefits. Now let's see the environmental benefits. By using less energy, we reduce the burning of fossil fuels, which lowers the greenhouse gas emissions. This helps slow down the climate change and also the air pollution, which protects our natural resources. And we also have economic benefits like energy conservation lowers the electricity and fuel costs for households and businesses. Therefore, we can reduce money on energy bills and also boost our economic competitiveness. We also have social benefits like less energy consumption leads to cleaner air, reducing the respiratory diseases and also improving the public health. In this way, we have environmental, economic, and social benefits. Now, let's see the different aspects where we can conserve and also use the energy efficiently. In household also we can conserve the energy in different ways, like by switching to the LED bulbs instead of traditional incandescent bulbs. Can provide the same brightness with less electricity. This reduces the energy bills and also extends the lifespan of the bulbs. Nextly, many devices continue to draw power even when they are turned off, known as phantom energy usage. Unplugging the chargers or televisions and small appliances when not in use can prevent this energy wastage. And you also has to adjust the thermostat. Setting a thermostat a few degrees lower in winter and higher in summer can reduce the heating and cooling costs. In this way, we can conserve the energy in household even. Now let's see some community level initiatives to conserve the energy. Energy conservation is even more effective when communities work together. It can be through different actions like by using the renewable energy. Community solar projects which enable the residents to invest in and benefit from the solar power without needing rooftop installations. This make renewable energy more accessible, reducing the dependence on fossil fuels. Energy audits. Energy audits helps to identify areas where the energy is wasted, such as inefficient lighting or poor insulation or outdated appliances, and also tells give the correct customized recommendations to improve the efficiency. Next, the public education. Educational campaigns or workshops and like community programs from residents and also in schools, you have to use to spread awareness and encourage sustainable habits, making energy conservation a shared goal. Now Now let's see how the energy efficiency can be done in industries. Industries normally consume large amounts of energy. So we can efficiently use energy by different processes. Like if we use process optimization, here industries can improve production process by using advanced technologies, automation and data analytics to minimize the energy wastage. Here we upgrade the machinery or workflows which significantly increase the efficiency while maintaining the same productivity. Next, waste reduction. Manufacturing and industrial process often generate energy intensive waste. By implementing recycling this waste or resource management, we can efficiently reduce the waste from the industries. Next, renewable energy. Industries can transition to renewable energy sources like solar and wind or bioenergy to power operations. Installing these solar panels can help reduce dependence on fossil fuels and cut the greenhouse gas emissions. Sustainable transportation. Even in transportation, we can conserve and use the energy efficiently by using the electric vehicles. Transition from the gasoline-powered cars to electric vehicles helps reduce reliance on fossil fuels and lowers the greenhouse gas emissions. These can make them to reduce the energy consumption. Public transport. Encouraging the use of buses, trains, and subways can reduce the number of individual cars on road, lead to lower fuel consumption and fewer emissions. Well-developed public transport systems can even provide energy efficiency and also cost-effective way to commute. Cycling and walking. Promoting cycling and walking not only reduces the carbon footprints or this reducing emissions, etc., but also improves the public health. So these are the ways where we can conserve the energy even in transportation. Energy policy of India. Here, India's energy policy is structured to ensure sustainability, energy security, and economic growth. So our country mainly focus on a phased transition toward cleaner energy sources and improved efficiency. By this, it provides different types of goals like short-term goal. These short-term goals are nothing but which are quick and achievable improvements. This does not have major disruptions. So these are more in this. There are different goals like expanding the renewable energy capacity, particularly in solar and wind power energy. And we can in short-term goal, we can even enhance energy efficiency standards across industries, appliances, and buildings. Next, middle-term goals. Middle-term goals are nothing but which require infrastructure investment and policy changes. This requires some time to implement. In this, we can develop the smart grids to maintain energy management and also integration of renewables. Here, we can also promote the storage solutions like battery storage and pumped hydro storage for storing the energy and can be used later in the later. Next, long-term goals. These require extensive research and development for them to implement. Like this includes transition to a low carbon economy by significantly reducing dependence on fossil fuels, and also scale up to hydrogen and bioenergy adoption as a clean alternative sources. And they also has like promote sustainable energy practices across all sectors, ensuring eco-friendly energy future. Conclusion. Energy efficiency and conservation are essential for building a sustainable future. By using energy wisely, reducing wastage, and adopting cleaner technologies, we can lower costs, reduce economic impact, and also ensure energy security for future generations. Like small actions like switching to LED bulbs or using public transport, optimizing industrial processes can collectively make a big difference. So by embracing these practices today, we can protect our planet and promote economic stability and create the healthier and more sustainable world for the generations to come.